Yan sa post, sa likod, di ba? Backdrop niya. Ano yung parang nire-reflect na ng role mo as Miss Provinciana? Kasi iba-iba yung interpretations ng pagiging probinsyana, di
That's
ba?
true.
So, ano yung makikita namin, mapapanood namin?
Actually, ayun na nga yun eh. Yun yung minsan hindi natin realize
Yeah.
na iba-iba ang probinsyana at iba-iba din ang mga city people. We're not all the same, di ba? I think it's really about how, ayun na nga, parang nilalagay mo sa kahon yung tao na dahil lumaki ka dyan, o dahil babae ka, o dahil hindi ka nakatapos, hanggang dito ka lang sa buhay. It's, it's about all limits that we put on women. And how, when we raise women, when we raise young girls, parang hindi natin nasasabi enough that they can do anything that they want. They can achieve anything that they want. They can be as successful and rich as they want without asking it from anyone else. So if there's anything na I want people to take away from this film, it's that we encourage young girls to believe that about themselves. Kasi the whole definition of empowerment is one person cannot empower another person. Empowerment is yourself and deciding for yourself.
So, si Marcia hindi aanga-angang probinsyana.
Yes, oo. At saka kahit anong sabi ng iba, kahit anong limitasyon ang ibigay sa kanya, gagawin niya kung ano ang gusto niya dahil alam niyang posible, dahil kilala niya sarili niya. It's not about, hindi, kilala ko yung mundo, ganito yung sistema sa mundo. Pag kilala mo sarili mo, lahat kaya mo.